my coconut recruits, and I am back. And as you can see, we have something new here. If you go to Scott Cawthon's website, scottgames.com, you find this image along with his normal little message at the bottom. I downloaded it and put it into a file thingy-bobber. And it's obviously something for Five Nights at Freddy's 3. I have my friend Jacob here. He was in my Happy Wheels video.
What's up?
Do you have any comment? Who do you think it is?
It looks like Freddy.
But
or
do you,
Foxy.
No, I don't think his nose is long enough to be Foxy. But
Maybe it's cut off.
look at his eyes. Why do they look so human-like? Again, I saw a theory that someone thinks this may be the killer with the Freddy suit on. And if you go to the files of the game of Five Nights at Freddy's 2, you see a thing that's called Toxic. Like, it's a bar that says Toxic, and it's never used in Five Nights at Freddy's 2. And I'm thinking maybe you have the head in this game again, and this time he actually uses the Toxic thing, because maybe that's you inside. No, it can't be you. Your eyes would be glowing. You're not someone from Outlast. But maybe the mask is toxic, like that idea in the fan-made Five Nights at Freddy's 3. That's kind of what I was thinking.
People.
What?
People
what?
Who's in this game?
Oh.
Yeah.
He's playing Sid Meier's Civilization. It's dumb.
No, I like strategic games.
I do too, but this one's dumb. It's for little kids. If you're gonna play Sid Meier, you need to play Civilization 5. This is for noobs.
You're so mean.
Anyway, off topic. I am freaking hyped about this. I cannot wait for more.
He's crazy about it.
Yes, I am. I'm freaking... The hype train, as I said, is rolling.
No, I mean, I like the game and all, but I'm not as excited as him.
I don't know. This game just kind of made something in my brain tick. This is one of my favorite game series ever.
Yeah, it is.
Actually, it may be my favorite game series ever.
You watch one of his previous videos, his previous video.
Yeah, it's the top 5 games of 2014.
This is number 1 on the list.
Actually, it's not anymore. Oh, Five Nights at Freddy's 1 and 2 is number 1 on the list.
Yeah, on
and
that
this,
list, and then
and exactly, like, this is, I don't know what to think. If this ends up getting any kind of views, which I don't expect it to, but, you know, it's a pretty early Five Nights at Freddy's 3 video. It may, and it looks like you can see under his right eye a little crack? Or is that a wire? What do you think? Does it look like a wire? Oh, it kind of looks like a crack with like something metal sticking out. Yeah, it looks like a little crack and like below the eye, a little bit of metal sticking out. I'm pointing my hand at the screen. You can't see that. If I were to brighten this up, you'd see a little 3 in the bottom corner. But I'm super excited. I will definitely be doing a walkthrough of Five Nights at Freddy's 3 when it comes out, whenever I build up the money to get it.
I'll be playing though. I'll play not exactly while he's recording it, but I'll play it.
Yeah.
See how it is. I'll watch him play.
I am excited. Oh man. Well, that's all I've got for today, and all I can say is at ease, my coconut recruits, and goodbye.